Unlock your global earnings today. Discover the ultimate guide to effortlessly create and set up your Payoneer account and start receiving payments from around the world. So hey guys, and welcome back. In this video where I will show you how you can start creating and setting up a Payoneer account. First of all, all you have to do is open your browser and dive into payoneer.com. This is the home page. As you can see, we have here various information and various options to get or to learn some informations. So first, what is Payoneer? Payoneer is a financial services company that provides online money transfer and digital payment services. It allows businesses and professionals to send and receive funds globally, making it easier to conduct international transactions. Users can open a Payoneer account to manage payments, withdraw funds to their local bank accounts, and access prepaid MasterCard for online and in-store purchases. It's widely used by freelancers, online sellers, and businesses for cross-border payments. So right now I will show you how you can get started with Payoneer. So you have just to click over sign in, and then you will find this page and you will sign up with this. So the first step, you have to choose the right Payoneer account type for your business needs. Please select the option that describes yourself. So if you are a freelancer, an online seller, affiliate marketer, vacation, rental, host, or individual. So I will choose me individual, so you choose the one you are and you get started. So for example, I choose individual and I will find this page. The right account for you is freelancer agency or service provider. Getting paid by clients or via marketplaces. We have here get paid by leading marketplaces including Upwork, Fiverr, getting Giphy images and more. Get paid by your global clients. Withdraw your earnings to your local bank account at low rates. You have your withdraw funds at FMS, pay your suppliers and subcontractors for free. So once you click register, you will find this page, Payoneer sign up. We have firstly getting started here and contact details, security details almost done. So the first one we have here getting started. Is your business registered with any government, business licensing or tax authority? So you choose between no, my business isn't registered, or yes, I own or represent a registered business. So if you choose the first one, you have to link your first name, your last name, your email address, and re-enter your email address again, and then you choose your date of birth. Then you click over next. Once you do that, you will find other page which is contact details. So here we have please fill in the fields in English characters only. Providing a complete and accurate address speeds up your account approval. So we have country here, street and number. You have mobile number also, and we have verification code, and then you click over next. Once you do that, you will find other page which is congratulations, your Payoneer account application has been submitted successfully and is now being reviewed. Want a Payoneer card? Learn how to order one. You are now in step 2 of the application process, review and in process. You will receive an email confirmation within the next several business days once your application has been reviewed. Then we have the third step, which is reviewed, receive payments. Once your application is approved, you will receive an email confirmation and can begin receiving payments to account. So before that, we have also other two steps here, but I already signed up, so I can't join security details and almost done to show you how you can get started. So it's easy to do that. You just to link your personal information like bank account and other things like something like ask privacy and other things. So you can just get started and you will find here Payoneer, and you have to write your email address and your password and you get started with Payoneer. So you have to write your email address, then your password, and you get started. So right now I will write my password. I forget one alphabet here. Then I will write my password. Then I will click for sign in and I will find my home page. So once you have signed up for Payoneer, the first step is to verify your account by providing the necessary identification and business information. After verification, link your local bank account to facilitate easy withdrawals. You can then receive payments from clients or marketplaces by sharing your Payoneer receiving accounts, which support multiple currencies. To enhance your experience, consider ordering a Payoneer prepaid MasterCard for convenient access to your funds. Finally, explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with features like payment requests and transaction history. So here we have transactions update every several minutes, then we have upcoming also, and we have other things. You can just click on review all to know it. Then we have withdraw and transfer. About this one, we have convert currencies, transfer money between your currency balances to make payments in the currency you need. We have here from to. So also we have here to manage currency, you need to be receiving funds to your Payoneer account. You click over learn more and you get started. Then we have account activity. About this one, you will just select the activity that you want, for example, transactions, payments, requests sent, or we have reports and statements such as monthly statement, transaction reports. Then we have bank account. About this one, we have my personal information about my bank account. You can also add another one. And then we have business networking. So we have here companies you work with, business applications, and connect apps. So getting started with Payoneer opens up a world of opportunities for seamless global transaction. By following the setup steps and leveraging its features, you can efficiently manage your payments and enhance your business operations. Embrace the flexibility and convenience Payoneer offers and unlock your potential in the global marketplace. So this is how it works with Payoneer. You can just get started as soon as possible. And this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget like, comment, and subscribe. So if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below, and I will be happy to help you guys. See you again in the next video.